This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 4, Part 2, Lesson 2a. In this lesson, we're going to use our place value understanding to subtract multiples of 10. The first sample in the box shows us 5 tens minus 3 tens. So if I have 5 tens and I take 3 of those tens away, then I'm left with 2 tens. You can see the problem down below shows the number form of this same problem. So 5 tens is the same as 50, 3 tens is the same as 30, 2 tens would be the same as 20. 50 minus 30 equals 20, and that's the same thing as 5 tens minus 3 tens equals 2 tens. The other sample shows 7 tens minus 2 tens. So if I start with 7 tens and I take 2 of them away, that leaves me with 5 tens. 7 tens minus 2 tens is the same thing as 70 minus 20. So 70 minus 20 is 50 because that's the same as 5 tens. A couple more examples down below. I have 3 tens. I'm going to subtract 2 tens. That leaves me with 1 10. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. 4 tens minus 2 tens leaves me with 2 tens. 40 minus 20 equals 20 because that's the same as 2 tens. These next questions are just a little bit different. Question C says I start with 8 tens. I took a certain amount of tens away and that left me with 5 tens. Well, I know that 8 minus 3 equals 5. So 8 tens minus 3 tens equals 5 tens. That also means that 80 minus 30 equals 50 because 3 tens is the same as 30. Question D says I start again with 8 tens. I take a number of tens away and now I'm left with 6 tens. I know that 8 minus 2 equals 6, so 8 tens minus 2 tens equals 6 tens. And that means that 80 minus 20 equals 60 because 2 tens is the same as 20. My last problem says 7 tens minus 3 tens equals a certain number of tens, so this is just the straight subtraction again. 7 minus 3 is 4, so 7 tens minus 3 tens is 4 tens. 70 minus 30 then is 40 because 40 is the same as 4 tens. So we can use that place value understanding of our units to help us with the greater subtraction.